Yeah, hi Chris, it's Mark at FMAV. I'm really sorry for the long wait on doing this. I've just been so busy, and people from eBay want this right now and they want that right now, and it's just, you know what it's like. So I've set aside some hours for you to get you a nice unit. Okay, so with this one, I've basically put together a really good unit for you that should last you for many years. Okay, so when I put a unit together, basically I make sure the cogs are tight and everything. It's got a good board and a brand new laser. So obviously I'll give you a 6-month warranty on the whole part. You do have to appreciate the part is about 25 years old, but it's a good part, if you understand what I mean. I've given you one where it's not been abused, like in a pub or a club or anything like that. But obviously, because all jukeboxes have been used. Let me just turn that on. The jukeboxes have been used, and in some form of manner, where it's a club or a pub or someone's home, they've bought it for the recreation of using it, and not just a showpiece. So they have had use. So it's not a brand new part. Obviously, you're going to get, but I've picked you a really good part. Okay, let me just turn this up for you, and you can hear the music playing there. So yeah, like I say, this there's no reason why this part shouldn't last you a very long time. Probably 5-6 years without any problems, in my opinion. So yeah, let us know how you get on with this, Chris. Let me know when you get it. Let me know that you're happy with it. You get it in. Any problems. I'll give you my phone number anyway. You can have my phone number, and you got any problems, you can ring me direct on the mobile or WhatsApp or whatever people do nowadays. I'll always answer questions, and I'll never hide from people or anything like that. You can always get hold of me. Sometimes I'm quite slack on returning calls, but I do return them. So yeah, so I hope you're happy with that one, Chris, and give me an update when you get it, and let us know that you're happy, and that'd be great. I've matched it the best I can for you, so you should be more than happy with that one. Thanks again, buddy, and that could be in the post for you ASAP. As soon as I get payment, that go out, and I'll send that special delivery for you. Cheers, buddy. I've even put a little C there for you, so you know it's your one. Thanks again, Chris. Have a good weekend. Cheers, buddy.